and hard drive. Besides having panels where you could actually install the cables and kind of hide them, you see that there's cables. This swings out, the hard drive goes into this caddy, and you see that there's cables going behind it. Well, I thought that we had to kind of rig them and do all kinds of stuff with them. I know it's really hard to see, but if it... Oh, there's my husky. That's my husky puppy. He's just chilling like a villain, and he's still chilling. Okay. Anyway, hi, Hero. Okay, bye. Anyway, sorry about that. So we don't have to jerry rig anything. We don't have to bring the cables over because I know it's really, really hard to tell. Inside the bays, at the far right-hand corner, you can almost see there are the plugs for the hard drives. The SATA and power cables are right there. It's all connected to a little board. Okay, so we've got the M.2 drive, which is a 2 terabyte drive. This will go directly on the motherboard. We've got a Seagate 24 terabyte, which is a full-size hard drive, and that is a SATA drive.